up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am filming a ultimate disaster clean with me. We have been super busy the past few days, and when I tell you it's a disaster, it is a disaster for real. So I'm going to be cleaning my kitchen, dining area, living room, and one of the bathrooms. If you are new here, just for reference, we have 5 children. Oldest is 11 down to age 5. So, I mean, as you can probably imagine, it can get very, very messy. So, I'm ready to get started cleaning. I have quite a few different products that I'm going to use today just because that's just the way I am. I'm not really committed to just one product. I think you can use, more than one thing and still get a good result. I've got some Fabuloso, like the lavender scent. I love that. I've got some Lysol to use. I've got Mrs. Meyer's. I think it's the Mrs. Meyer's scent I was talking about is the apple cider scent. But I am about ready to get started. So I'm gonna get started in my kitchen. I usually always get started in the kitchen. That's just like my favorite place to clean up first. So let's go. And now on to my favorite part, which is cleaning out the sink. I just find it super, super satisfying. But I'm going to use just some baking soda, this little Method anti-bac, and then probably just some dish soap.
Pick up where we left off. You and I had lots of love just to top it off. We can wind and down for days, never let it stop. I just want your everything, baby. Maybe later we can dance, never let go. Listen to our favorite songs on the radio. Loosen up and lose ourselves to this feeling, oh. I just want your everything, baby. I'll be deep under your influence tonight. Ooh, keep it coming, babe. I don't mind another round. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love. I can't get enough of my baby. from your bottle, baby, calling it wasted love, wasted love. I can't get enough of my baby. I'ma be wasted love, wasted love. I'm spilling liquor on the carpet, on the couch. I feel it dripping from my mouth. Drinking from your bottle, baby, calling it wasted love, wasted love. I'll be deep under your influence.
Okay, guys, everything is coming along nicely. I'm almost done, you know, with the whole kitchen area. But unfortunately, I did not plan this out effectively, and I did the dishes before I got all the dishes off the counter. So now I'm back to washing dishes. Luckily, there's only about, I don't know, maybe 6 or so dishes to wash. So I'm gonna hurry up and do that, and then I'm gonna move on to sweeping this kitchen floor, and then I'll probably go to the dining room.
From my mouth, drinking from your bottle, baby, calling it wasted love, wasted love.
So, last part I'm about to sweep, and at the end I'm gonna mop the floor. But I had to take a little snack break. Have you guys ever tried this one? It's the Power Crunch Bar, peanut butter, upside down. Power Crunch Bar, peanut butter fudge. It's absolutely delicious. It reminds me of kind of like a Reese's, but it's a lot more healthy. It's only 215 calories and 13 grams of protein. But anyway, I'll give you a little overview of what the floor looks like, and we're gonna get started on that.
I'm lost in your love. Stay with me, 'cause I have nothing left. Stay with me, stay with me.
Okay, so the kitchen is good to go now. Now time to move on to the dining room. It took me forever to clean up the kitchen. Now I'm finally moving on to the little dining area over here. But it's been actually a few hours, like break. I had to take a break. I did, you know, hashtag mom life. I went to pick up groceries from Walmart for a grocery pickup. I baked a cake for our son who turned 8 today. Shout out to Sharif. That's why you see over here, well, I'll show you actually in a minute. You can't see it right now, but I always decorate, like the kids, they always have like a birthday chair when it's their birthday, where I put like streamers and balloons or whatever, and it just kind of, you know, makes it fun, extra special for them for their day, and they always look forward to it, so I'm glad to do it. But anyway, so let's get started on this disaster of a dining room. That you guys saw me pick up and move over here to the table, those were like decorative pictures. My baked chalkboard my husband will hang up in the kitchen tonight, so I'm gonna just get that stuff out of here and then finish kind of setting up the table a little bit and then move on to the living area. cleaning done that I wanted to get done yesterday. I was just done. I was cleaning for hours, and you know, it is what it is. But I'm ready to tackle this bathroom. Got my cleaning gloves on. I had some really nice cleaning gloves, like the long ones. I don't know where they are, so I'm just gonna use these disposable ones. I usually just put these gloves or whatever on when I'm like cleaning the toilet and stuff, and then I'll just throw them away and then continue to get started. The products I'm gonna use today, I'm gonna use this Lysol toilet bowl cleaner, these Lysol wipes, and let me tell you, these were hard to find. Like, haven't seen them in months, and just so happened to come across them the other day when I was at Walmart, so you know I had to grab some. And then this disinfectant cleaner. Have you guys smelled this one? This one is the Tuscan Lavender and Jasmine, and let me tell you, it smells so good. All right, so let's get started on the back.
Rewind, rewind, rewind. Going through changes, I'm just so mad, but now it's at my own expense. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't reach.
Okay, so I'm about done in this bathroom. I'm just gonna add a few touches of fall in here. I wasn't planning on doing it, but I figured it.
I need a girl that can ride for me, wanna lock down and shine with me. Don't you know, you don't have to try with me. Gonna let go, yeah. I'm gonna let go, gonna give you control, yeah. Cuando bailas, you give me everything, yeah. I like it when you let me drink you in, yeah. Cuando bailas, you give me everything, yeah. I like it when you let me drink you in, yeah. Take your time, go slow with me. I want somebody to grow with me. Don't you know, ain't nobody stopping us. Gonna let go, yeah. I'm gonna let go, gonna give you control, yeah. Cuando bailas, you give me everything, yeah. I like it when
like this, but I can never get everything that I have on my to-do list done in one day. It just doesn't work out. But anywho, I want to show you guys something real quick. It is quite possibly the best granola bar I have ever had. Like, say goodbye to Quaker Oats. Okay, seriously. So you only need 4 ingredients, like I said. You will need 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 3 cups of quick cooking oats, and 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, and then whatever ingredients you want to add to it. Today I'm making chocolate chip ones, but mini M&Ms would be delicious in this. I've used like dried fruit before. You can really customize this any kind of way you prefer. So not only is it easy to make, easy on the pocketbook, it also cooks very quickly in the oven. I usually cook mine between 18 and 19 minutes on a 350-degree oven. But if you want it, and that's because I like ours a little bit more chewy, but if you want them more crunchy, then you can always just, add a few minutes here and there. Of course, make sure you keep an eye on it. You don't want it to burn or anything, but okay, let's get started.
I like it when you let me drink you in, yeah. Cuando bailas, you give me everything, yeah. I like it when you let me drink you in, yeah. Cuando bailas.
And then I just pour in the chocolate chips. I will leave the recipe down in the description box. And I do this part at the end. So I mix all the ingredients first, and then I add in the chocolate chips, or if I was, adding the M&Ms, or, whatever extra thing you're putting in yours. What it will look like before you put it in the oven. And this is the after. So the edges usually do get crispy even on 18 minutes, but then like the inside and everything will still be very chewy. For today's video. Thanks so much for sticking with me while I cleaned up my house. And then also, I really hope you enjoyed the granola bar recipe. If you end up making it, please tag me on Instagram. And if you don't know, or if you're not following me already, my Instagram is Just Marie Homemade, and of course I share a lot more on Instagram than I do on YouTube. So all right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn that bell notification on, as well as if you enjoyed the video, make sure you click the like button. All right, I'll see you soon. Bye.